Yo YouTube, I am back with a brand new updated tutorial today to show you how to get free VC in NBA 2K26. This actually uses a 2K26 VC glitch, and this is going to supply you with 450,000 VC for completely free. And as you can see, the price of VC is pretty expensive, costing around $100 for the amount that I'm going to show you how to get. So this NBA 2K26 VC glitch takes just a few minutes, and it uses a locker code, guys. So you can redeem the locker code in 2K26, and it is a glitched code that's going to supply you with 450,000 VCs. So before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm always searching for updated methods to get free VC and free stuff in 2K26. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain the secret locker code, and then you can just go ahead and redeem it on your PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, PC, wherever you play 2K26. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly. CRSHCOUPONS, Crash Coupons. And it's going to bring you to a game code website, and they have codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. They don't only have 2K26, of course, but what you're going to want to do is use the search bar to find the 2K26 codes page here. And basically, guys, the reason I call this a VC glitch is because this locker code is not supposed to supply 450,000 VC, but it does. As you can see, this is going to get 450 VC code for free. So click on get code, and this entire process takes just a few minutes, and it is definitely the fastest method to get free VC. So everyone can do this. Super easy. So it's found a valid code, guys, and you can only do this once. I did this earlier. As you can see, these are limited codes and they're verified working. So you need to unlock your code. As you can see, it is hidden. So to do that, click on this button, and it's going to bring you to this page here where you just need to follow the instructions, guys. It is super easy. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your Crash Coupons code. And as you can see in the red text, it says follow the instructions. So these instructions tell you what you need to do to complete each task. These are all completely free, and they're basically mostly installing and opening mobile apps and stuff like that, guys. They're really easy. So yeah, just complete 2 of those and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your 2K26 VC locker code will be revealed, and you can redeem it, and that's going to supply your account 450,000 free VC. So that is the best glitch for VC in 2K26. Go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. Just follow all of the instructions, and yeah, search for this page, find the locker code for 450,000 VC, and that is the best 2K26 VC glitch. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.